ketone. And weight loss expert Lisa Lynn swears by this supplement for those with fat. Oh, I gotta say, before the preamble, raspberry ketone is something that I've heard about in the periphery. I never understood how powerful it could be until I started doing research for this. How did you find it, and why do you think it's so valuable?
Research, research, research. And I think it's really valuable because the ketones come from red raspberries. Very healthy, no side effects, and they help your body burn fat. Not only that, they slice it up inside the cells so it burns fat easier. And we all want easier.
Yeah. Easier makes us smarter. And we've just seen 4 body types. This will work for all 4 of those, plus people who've got fat all over. But listen, this is a big issue. I want everybody to note that there's a key hormone involved in this process.
Yes.
And I've never talked about it on the show before. It's called adiponectin. Adiponectin. Sounds like a big word, but this is a hormone that naturally tricks your body into acting like it's thin.
We want it.
We want it. People who are thin naturally have more of the adiponectin. When you put weight on, you reduce the ability of this hormone to function.
Yep.
And for that reason, you actually end up with a body that behaves like it's fat. You begin storing fat in lots of places. So let me show you. Are you in that category?
Yeah, I am.
Sorry.
Guilty.
Here's your glasses.
Thank you. I'm putting them.
I've got a demo. It's a little dangerous. Now, these little red balloons, these are fat cells. You may have fat cells in your bottom, your thighs, your arms, your chest, belly. It doesn't matter where they are. When you put these fat cells inside of liquid nitrogen, which is what this is,
yep,
it acts like raspberry ketone. Okay? You put it in here, and watch what happens.
This is literally what the raspberry ketones do.
The fat cells start becoming excited, and they start giving up their fat. And the raspberry ketones are regulating hormones to make that happen. Now,
correct,
when you don't have the right amount of that adiponectin, watch what happens.
Love this. And I'm a visual girl. You have to tell me why. Yeah. You can't just say, do this.
That's what happens.
How about that?
They come back, and you're dieting, and you're gaining more weight.
All from Mother Nature.
All from Mother Nature. And then, again, you put it back in, because you know what's smart, and you start having the right amount of those hormones in you. When cells get away once in a while.
They're falling out already.
But most of them will shrivel up like this, which is exactly what you want.
I mean, anywhere. Do your homework. Buy good quality, though, because they do work if you take the right amount. You're going to want to take about 100 milligrams at breakfast.
Okay. Right
away. If that doesn't work, go to 200. Try to get at lunch.
So I mean, I always like to take the natural version if I can.
Me too.
So why can't you just get some raspberries?
Well, first you need to eat 90 pounds of raspberries to get the equivalent.
90 pounds.
I mean, I could probably eat 90 pounds, but that would also be too many calories and sugar, so you'd be growing the fat cells when we really want to shrink them.
So this is not 90 pounds, folks. That's 90 pounds.
Right.
It's a lot. It's a lot. All right. Taking the pills. I want to be practical. I don't want to overpromise.
No, we got to be honest.
How long will it take for people to see a benefit?
Right.
Other things that, from your personal experience that you've seen.
You will see results. I have people right away see results. Some take 5 days. Bigger results, the longer you stay on them. Everybody's a little bit different, but people get on them. They never want to come back off.
So you're kind enough to bring images of a couple of your clients.
I shared it.
I want to use these as examples. They may not be exactly what happens in your life, but Lynn, one of the patients you've mentioned, saw dramatic results. It took 8 months. Now, here she is beforehand.
So 8 months, huge difference.
Here she is 8 months later.
Ta-da! You should see her now, actually. And she's not 20. That's all I'll say on the age bracket.
Oh, she's not 20. She's older than 20. Okay,
oh,
good.
yeah.
Good. I was saying she's 21. She's 19.
It gets harder as we age, so if she can do that, looking good.
And let me show you a picture of Leslie.
Yep.
This is another one of Lisa's patient. She still uses raspberry ketones, I'm told.
She does.
But this is her before, and here she is 6 months later.
Yeah, she doesn't want to put the bottle down. I say I have to wrestle it away from her because I do like to see people do with diet and exercise, but it's okay to have a little bit of help along the way.
So let's be clear about something. I think this is worth experimenting with you all. You think about it. But I want to be also clear about the fact that raspberry ketones, again, they're going to help your body think it's thin.
Right.
So it's right, and that's great. So your body metabolically will start to go in the direction you want it to go in. But you've got to teach your clients
first things first
that they are thin as a person as well. And to do that, they got to figure out how to behave smart.
Then people do what you do.
What do?
They eat healthy and they exercise every day.
I'm hoping this will get you over the hump.
Yep.
Use it for that purpose, not as a miracle pill. Are we all clear on this, everybody? Good enough. All right, you want to fake it until you make it? That might come in handy also. While you're losing all the weight, I want you to style yourself skinny. The 5 ways to dress thinner for your body type is next. No diet or exercise required for this one.